Tesla, the almighty manufacturer of electric vehicles, is developing a smartwatch with which it intends to revolutionize the world of telephony, the new iPhone. Despite the fact that all types of rumors have been unleashed, the company led by Elon Musk continues to maintain total secrecy in everything related to the alleged new device. It neither confirms nor denies, and, as is usual practice, it keeps the development of its novelties secret. In any case, experts in this type of development understand that the first Tesla smartwatch could be launched on the market in late 2023 or early 2024. The price has not yet been defined. Not surprisingly, the Texas-based company's new phone is expected to integrate with the company's electric cars and will allow users to perform various functions such as temperature control. In addition, the Pi phone will have built-in functionality to access Starlink, allowing users to browse the web without relying on telecommunications networks bound for Earth. Thanks to another of Musk's business lines, SpaceX, Starlink provides high-speed, low-latency broadband internet in several markets. Using satellites in low orbit, it enables video calls, online gaming, and streaming. Tesla's new phone could also be compatible with Neuralink, the technology that would allow users to control devices with their thoughts through chips that would be implanted in the human brain. We are creating the future of brain interfaces, building devices now that will help people with paralysis and inventing new technologies that will expand our skills, our community, and our world. Many reports suggest that the new phone could work on Mars using Starlink connectivity. At a conference in September 2016, the billionaire said that it would take between 40 and 100 years to create a civilization of 1 million people on Mars.